guys, welcome to the channel, and this is a new video. I'm going to add the clips, and behind I have my daughter, and guys, I'm going to clean the house and I'll shoot the video for you, but I'm going to make it fast forward. And guys, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, to our channel, because do support us, it means a lot. And I'll show you the outside view from my window. There's a lot of wind. I'll show you, I'll take you to the balcony. My daughter is sitting down. Okay, my husband is going out, so I'm going to lock the door and then I'll say bye to the video. Say bye to the vlog at least. Okay. Oh, so he's going out and come inside. So I'll show you the balcony view, the outside view, and you can see that frame on the top of the door. So that's we just purchased it newly in Amazon. I'll put the link below if you guys want to buy for your house. It's for Vastu. So I'll show you so that's the view, and there's a lot of wind, guys, outside. It's so cold climate in Bangalore now. So I stay in Bangalore, guys, and that's the climate. So let's go inside. So how many of you guys, let me know, you have a small kid and the kid cries at night time? Trust me guys, the day before yesterday was a horrible night for us. Like I don't know, my daughter, she was kept on crying and we could not understand why she's crying, because we thought it's a stomach pain and we gave her medicine, but I don't know, like she was getting up every 10 minutes. And let me know guys, if if you guys know any home remedies for the kid or for a baby at night time, if they get any gastric or acidity pain or any stomach pain, what to be done. Because I tried everything. I gave her ajwain water, I put a hing in the surrounding of her navel, and I tried everything, but nothing worked. But then yesterday night I took her nazar. They tell drishti. I trust a lot in God, guys, but then I feel that that drishti and nazar and all, it falls on kids. So I took her nazar. I took a mud diya, and I'll show you the diya, what kind of diya I took. I will definitely show you. So if you have kids at home, you can definitely try this out. It really works. I'll show you. So this kind of diya, like which we normally use in Diwali and all. This is the old Diwali diya which I used last year, so I have kept a lot of them here. You can see. So I took one of them and I put it 2 kapoor. You can use 1 kapoor or 2 kapoor. It depends on the kapoor, the size. So I used 2 kapoor, and I took her nazar, and then I went to the balcony and I threw the diya with the kapoor from the balcony down. And she slept peacefully, guys. Trust me, sometimes nazar and drishti, it it affects the kids a lot, because everybody, when we go in the surrounding neighbors and all, when they see a kid, definitely kids can melt anyone's heart. That's what they say. Even God's heart they can melt. And if we see a kid, we feel, oh, the kid is so cute, she's so pretty, or any kid. That's the way the drishti falls. So if you guys have any problem, or if you have kids at home, if the kid is crying, you will get to know how drishti and nazar falls. Is that you get to know in the behavior. They'll be uncomfortable, they'll be irritated, and you will give them all the medicines. Like if they're having stomach pain or any medicines, you will give them, but then it will not work. Wait guys, I'm talking so fast. But the drishti, take the drishti, definitely it works. And we gave her 2 tulsi leaves in her mouth to chew the tulsi. And I lighted bay leaf and with lavang, and with 2 kapoor, 5 lavang and 4 to 5 bay leaf. You can light whichever room the baby is sleeping. You can light it and you can keep it aside. So the smoke which comes out of the bay leaf is very positive, guys. It takes out all negativity from the house, from that room, and it gives, if you have stress in your mind, it calms the stress down. And even for the babies, it works a lot. They'll get a peaceful sleep. So I tried all this, and yesterday night only she slept, guys. Trust me. Day before yesterday, she tortured us so much, like till morning 6 o'clock I was awake with her. She was getting up at night 2 o'clock, and she was sitting half an hour all by herself. I don't know what was wrong with her. but then after taking the nazar and everything, she was all good. If you can see this bandage, so I have a sprain in my neck. Like, I don't know, I'm not able to turn my neck, so my husband has put a bandage in my neck, and so I have to get back to cleaning, guys. So I cleaned the house. As you can see, my house is such a mess. Like, towels are lying there, and my daughter's toys are here, and see here, what is she doing? Can you see her? She's having the sketch pen in her hand and she's writing in the fridge. You can see this all, it's all a mess. I have to clean everything out. Last 2-3 days she was in so much, she gave us trouble. Like midnight, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we used to run and get everything. We used to run from the bedroom to the hall, like to get any medicine whichever we need, to give it to her, like pain medicine. If she have a gastric pain, we are giving a gastric. I gave her ajwain water. Nothing worked. Hing I applied, nothing worked. But then, yeah, drishti, I think that drishti was fallen on her, and it was a very bad nazar which was fallen on her. So I took it and it really worked. So so that's it, guys. I was just seeing outside my house, like yeah. So guys, I will get back to you. You can see this luggage is on top. Please don't mind all that, because that's the room we use as a storeroom, and we keep all our luggages, bags and all on in that room. And guys, let me know what you guys are doing in lockdown, and how's the lockdown going on. Stay safe, stay inside your house, and make sure you keep the kids inside the house, because that's what matters more. And even yesterday she had little mild fever in the evening, a very mild fever. It's not like in thermometer, when we put at her thermometer, there was no temperature. But then as a mother, when I'm holding her, I can feel that her body is hot, like it's warm. Her body was so hot, so we put at her a bit of fever medicine also, so that if in case if she have any body pain or body ache, because she jumps and she runs a lot. So I thought maybe because of body pain or anything, she was telling that I have leg pain, my hands are paining, so we gave her that medicine, and she slept very nicely, guys. And yeah, one more thing for you guys. If your kid is suffering from gastric pain, I would tell, use hing, and that's home remedies. Hing, ajwain water. Give them ajwain water in a week, at least twice, so that they don't suffer from gastric pain. Because they eat like little, because my daughter, I don't know about other kids, but my daughter definitely, she doesn't eat her food like properly. She eats very little amount of food. She eats little bit of rice. When you give her morning breakfast, she will definitely finish her breakfast, but lunch and dinner is very difficult to feed her, guys. If you sit 2 hours also with her, she's not going to eat. And she is a girl, she's very stubborn. She will not, when she says she won't eat, she will not eat. You shout at her, you scold her, or you do anything, but she's very naughty. Can you say, why are you so naughty?
Naughty.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say I love you, guys.
Love you.
Okay, so she's 2 years and 2 months old, guys, and definitely next year she's going to school after this virus and this lockdown. Everything is over. So everything is over, then we are going to send her to school. So she knows ABCD, and 1 to 10 she knows. So I hope that much is more than enough for just starting of the school. So I'll see you guys later. I'll clean the house, because my husband is going to come back soon, and if he sees this messy house, and he'll be like, what were you doing? You didn't clean the house. So I'm going to clean the house, and I'll get back to you guys. Bye. Love you. I'll see you after some time. Bye. Guys, welcome to the channel. I mean, it's the same channel. It's the same vlog which is continuing. You can see my daughter, what she's doing. She's not letting me to clean the house. I'm keeping all the toys in this chair for her to play later. But then she's taking one thing and she's throwing all the way, and I have to come back again and then pick all the things, and she's done this like 10 times till now. So I don't know how I'm going to clean the house alone with her, because I just don't know, guys. I have a hip pain, and it's very severe pain which I'm getting. I get this hip pain because of the epidural which I got during my delivery. So I don't know, I get this pain like I don't know, if I work more, if I do a lot of housework, then I start getting this pain. I don't know what to do for this. If any of you guys have the same problem and the same issue, If anything works for you, do let me know how you are dealing with the pain or how, because I just cannot even stand. The pain is so much, and this girl is not letting me to do any work, guys. She's throwing all her toys in the floor. You can see here I'm kept on cleaning and I'm putting everything in place, but then she's just not letting me to do anything or any work. I even made the bed, but she made it all mess. She's just pulling out the bed sheet back again, because we don't have a bed, and it's difficult to bend and put the make the bed proper with the bed sheet. But I don't know, guys. If you guys have small kid at home, do let me know how you guys deal. Like, no, small kids, I'm saying not like above above 10 years or above 8 years. Just this one, two, this is the blanket which I'm taking to the bedroom to make it proper. Like the age of one is still okay, guys. 1-year-old kids, they don't like make so much of mess, or they just if you tell them to sit at one place. But this age kids is like so difficult to handle, guys. They don't listen to you. They will do whatever they want, and I don't know how I'm going to clean. So I'll try my best to clean the house, and I'll get back to you. Bye. I'll show you one thing, okay? See there, what my daughter is doing. Can you see her? She have all the kachra here, and she's playing with it, all the kachras. What are you doing?
Topic.
No, what you're doing with the tablets wrapper? She have all the empty tablets wrapper, and I don't know what is she doing with them. So my husband is back, guys. I'll show you. He's back here. Say hi. So guys, for the lunch, I forgot to tell you guys, I'm only going to put the rice. So my sister-in-law, she's going to give sambar or pumpkin curry kind. I'll show you that definitely in my vlog. The dish, I don't know how to make it. Like if she's making pumpkin curry or gravy kind, I will ask her and I will tell you guys in the description link. I mean in the description box, I'll put the recipe. But if she's going to make sambar, I will let you know if she's going to make anything special. So okay guys, I'll see you after some time. Bye. Guys, she's putting everything in the dustbin cover. She's such a darling girl. She's cleaning everything for her mama. So sweet. She's just taking the dustbin cover and she's putting all the kacharas in that. Good girl, mama. You want to say something?
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
5, 6,
Okay.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, good girl. She's clapping for herself, guys. She's saying 1 to 10, and I think she's falling asleep. That's okay. I'll put her in the afternoon, because if I put her now to sleep, then she's not going to sleep in the afternoon. So there she is. Hi guys, welcome back. And my daughter, she's pulling me, and my husband, I've just put on some lipstick because my face was looking so dull, and he's making coffee. Which coffee you're making? Show at least to people. He's making the brew coffee, and I'm also going to have some because my daughter is putting me from backside. And yeah guys, so my husband, he's cleaned the house. I was about to clean the house, but my hip was paining. The pain was becoming severe, so I had to leave it in between. So my husband, he cleaned it, and he's going to make some coffee. And my daughter, she's just behind me. I'll show it to you. Wait, come. Oh, here she is. There she is. She just want to come in the video, and she's pulling me from backside. You're getting itchy in your nose. So guys, I know what she's played in the there's some Krishna song or bhajan she's played. My daughter, she's too much into God, bhajan and puja and all these things. She likes she likes to pray, and she likes to hear more than Bollywood songs or anything else. She likes to hear more of bhajans and God songs. I'll show you guys what she has done to the remote. You can just see what she has broke the remote and there's no cover for the shell, so her father has put it the plaster. Can you tell to everyone why you broke the remote?
Huh? Remote book.
Yeah, who broke it? So that's my cutie girl, and that's it, guys. So that's all. I put it up some lipstick because my face is looking very dull because definitely I have pain, and because of that, and there were we did puja yesterday, but my husband, he has taken the Lakshmi things, so that's where he has kept the bangles which we kept for God, and that's Tirupati Balaji. No? That's it, guys. I'll show you my house from outside how it looks, okay? So actually I have to clean even the outside is not clean, so it was raining, so that's how it looks, my house, and that's my daughter. So it's now a bit because of the rain. Come inside, let's go inside, come. So it's a bit dirty, guys. I have to wipe it off near the tulsi because we lighted sambrani, and I think there's no light inside. Okay. Actually, we have to, like, daytime, even when it's rain and the climate is bad, we have to on the light because there's no sunlight here because of the building. I'll show you why. Because of the building we have next to our house, so the sun rays doesn't fall inside. So if I open the door, my daughter is running outside. So that's it, guys. We have a smart lock at our house door opens in smart lock. So I'll sit with my husband and he's having some coffee. Do you want to say something?
No.
Say! Everyone is going to see you. Say something. Say something. Okay, guys, and okay, you
go wash clothes also.
Actually, guys, what happened? The washing machine. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. Behind the wall, which is, you can see that this girl, she's done it. She's wrote everywhere. And the reason why my husband, he told that you have to go and wash the clothes is because the washing machine which we have to fix, the place is only in the balcony and the balcony is not covered, so when it rains the motor might spoil, so we have put it inside the house and there's no connection. We have not given the connection for the washing machine inside, so we have to fix that out. But this lockdown is going on, so guys, so they both are playing around, so I have to pause the video and then I have to tell them to be quiet.
Mama, hot.
And her name is Nesa. My daughter name is Nesa, if you guys want to know. And Nesa means miracle of God, but we call her at home Mama. And that's it, guys. So we have only one cup, so we both are going to share, and after drinking tea I'll get back to you. Okay, she wants to drink coffee too. Can you see this girl? She's asking for coffee. What do you want?
Coffee.
Okay, guys, I'll get back to you. Bye. Hi, guys. Okay, so it's already 12:49, and my daughter, she's having her. Can you show what you're having? Banana. So she doesn't eat food properly, guys, but then she eats a bit of snacks like banana, apple, or cashew nuts, almonds, and all those things. She takes a bit, like little every interval. So that's one good thing about her, but to feed her food is very difficult, guys. And I would suggest every mother out there, give your kids banana at least one in a day. Because she's just climbing on me in a day, because if they have banana, that would help them for not having a hard stool, and also they will not get a pain in their stomach. So banana is very important for them. And she loves to be in the vlog. Every time I start the camera, wherever she's in the house, she would run and she'll come to me just to come in front of the camera. Do you love them out there, everyone? Okay, guys, so it's already 12:49 and I have to go cook her food. So I'm going to make a very light khichdi kind for her, because last 2 days she had a stomach pain, definitely because for her actually she had a hard stool like 2 days back, so we had to like give her medicine yesterday, and then now she's okay. And even I told you guys that even I have taken her nazar and all, so now she's okay. So I'm not going to give her something very heavy food for her, so I'm going to give her a very light food like a kind of khichdi. I'm not going to add any spices into it. I don't give her any spices, guys. I don't give her chili powder, I don't give her coriander powder or nothing. I don't put anything in her food except turmeric powder and salt. And definitely I put a cinnamon stick and a little bit of cinnamon stick and bay leaf, and that's all. And her khichdi is I always make in moong dal. I don't give her tur dal. Very sometimes in a while, like if I'm making, we both, like me and my husband, if we're making sambar, then I give without the sambar masala. I give her, like I keep it separately, and then I mix the masala for us. At that time I give her tur dal, but then it's very, in a month I think once only she takes tur dal, because she have a gastric problem, like colic pain problem. So she gets that if she have tur dal and all, so she generally gets the pain. So I don't want her to suffer because of gastric, and tur dal is definitely gastric. I do dip the tur dal for 2-3 hours, but even though she gets gastric if she have tur dal, so I prefer giving her moong dal. So most of the time she always takes moong dal, or there's no veggies today for her. It's only like I'm going to make a normal sada khichdi for her. So if you guys want, let me know how do I make. I will show you in my other video the khichdi how I make for her, if any mother wants to know. And that's it, guys. I will see you after some time. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. And welcome back. Why I'm saying welcome back again, guys, because I'm starting the video like after some time, no, that's why I'm saying welcome back. But this is the same vlog, and I don't know why my daughter, she goes and she gets all the medicine things in her hand. So guys, I wanted to show you the 2 sari which I wore for yesterday for Varalakshmi Puja, but actually that's my sister-in-law's, and I'll definitely show you the saris. Okay, it's because the vlog which I did was yesterday was only for the blue sari. So this is one sari. I just show it here. This is one sari. So this it's a dark blue color, and this is one sari. This is which I did the vlog yesterday, and the other one is in pink color, but I have not done the vlog with this because my daughter, she was sleeping. And wait a minute, guys, I'm sorry guys, I had to stop the video in between because my daughter, she is like taking all things out, and I don't know why she is doing like that. Whenever I'm not well, guys, she always does that. And if you can see this black thing, that is the Kafur's bindi. So this is one sari, and this is I think the sun is falling on it. Okay, yeah, so this is one sari, and this is full pink, and you have a golden border in it. It's a beautiful sari, guys. So this was the evening sari which I wore, but then I could not take any pic or any vlog. I couldn't do because my daughter, she was crying yesterday, as I told you guys, like I don't know why she was screaming. So she was not ready to leave me or anything. And this is the blouse, guys. So the blouse is golden color. So this is what I wore. This is what she gave me, and if she was seeing the vlog, then thank you so much for the saris. And yeah, I think I was looking beautiful. That's what my husband said, but I don't know. So I'm going to keep it in place. Okay, yeah, because I don't want to spoil her saris. It's very beautiful saris. And guys, why I'm telling is my sister-in-law, she gave is because I don't have any sari of my own. I generally don't wear sari, and I like to wear sari, but then I've never bought any sari. I only have salwars and kurtas and all those things. So but in future I'll definitely buy saris for me, but right now I don't have any sari. So that's two sari which I wore yesterday in my vlog was my sister-in-law's, and she have beautiful saris. Any day if I get time, then I will definitely tell her to make a video of her saris and send it to me, and I'll post it in my vlog. Okay, so because she have very beautiful saris, and I'll show you my daughter. She's just brushing her teeth, and she takes a brush and she brush her teeth anytime in the day. It's not just morning, right?
Mama knows.
No, Mama is having different brush. That's your brush. I'll show you the brush. So this brush which we bought for her is from Pigeon. I will definitely link in the description box, so you guys can check this brush out. This here it's very soft for the teeth, and even you have for the gums, to brush the gums, because so they don't get pain, and she brush by herself. So I don't do anything. If I go to brush her teeth, she would say, no Mama, I will do it by myself. So she's a big girl, and so that's it guys. I'll link in the description box the brush. Mothers out there, you can definitely go and check the brush out. It's very soft. Just a second guys, I'll be back. My husband is calling. Hi guys, I want to show you one thing for the mothers out there. If you want to know what my daughter she uses for her bath, what we use is Himalayas. So it's extra moisturizing baby wash. This wash is this is not shampoo, so this is a baby wash, body wash. So this is very good guys, and it doesn't make the baby skin rough, because it's Himalayas is a herbal, I think, and so I prefer Himalayas than anything else. But then before we were using Johnson's also, even we have used Dove. Even Dove is also good for them, because it doesn't let the baby skin get rough or itchiness. It doesn't give. And even Himalaya is good. And what I use for my face wash is I use this one, Clean and Clear. This is a small bottle, so the other big bottle is in the washroom where my husband is washing clothes. And so I use this one for my face in the early morning. So this Morning Energy oil-free one. So I'll link it in the description box. If you guys want to buy it, you can get this one. And even the babies, I will link it in the description box. That's it guys, and I'll get back to you after some time. Bye bye guys. Hi, say hi. There's a lot of sun falling, and behind is my husband. Okay, he's wearing his slipper. We're going to terrace guys. As I told you guys, I'm going to show you the view of the terrace. So we stay in this is actually a building. One day I will take the full building video, but so we stay in the first floor, and then we have the terrace. So there's a lot of sun guys. I don't know, my eyes are not able to open. So that's the video. It's a lot of sun, so I'll stand in the shed. Okay, so here we have, oh god, I cannot open my eyes. So this is one more room, but there no one is staying. So here is my daughter. Hello.
Dada.
No, that's not Dada. Okay, so it's a lot of sun guys here, so I don't want her to fall sick or get fever or something because of the sun. I'm planning to go down with her. But actually this balcony, I'm so sorry, this terrace looks beautiful in the evening times. And I think our neighbors also has put cloths behind. So I'll show you the back side of the building. So it's all greenery guys. It's all the way, it's all greenery here. So there my husband is putting clothes, and I'm planning to take her down. Hold on guys. So my husband is putting clothes. Just say bye.
Bye.
So me and my daughter, we are going down to our house because there is a lot of sun, and she might get fever or something because of the sun, because definitely afternoon sun is not good for the kids. And my hair is all messed because of the wind. There is wind guys in Bangalore, and it's climate is definitely cold. So here me and my daughter, we reached. So that's the staircase to the terrace. No, so she wants to go to the terrace, but then down. No, we are not going down. So I'm going to feed her. What did you say? What did you say?
Down.
No, we are not going down. I'm going to feed her guys now food because it's already 1 o'clock and definitely she's hungry.
Down.
So I'll show you the photo frames, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. She is not getting down of me. So I'm going to show you the photo frames of our house. So we have here one photo frame that is my first billion, and hold on guys, I'm just going to close the door. And here is one more photo frame which we have. Okay guys, I'll just come back to you guys because she's crying. And this, oh god bless you, this is my daughter. She's not having her food, guys. I'll show you guys how she's, oh now she's eating. Oh, she's eating in front of you. Definitely I'm going to keep the camera there so that you guys can see how she eats her food and all. So I made a normal khichdi, guys. So show in the camera how you eat. See guys, how I have to pull her to eat her food because she doesn't eat her food. And we are doing for Varalakshmi Puja, and I'll show you the place where we are getting ready for the god. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I mean, this is the same vlog, it's getting continued. The time is 3 o'clock, and I think I did the last vlog. I made the video around 1 o'clock, so it's going to be the same vlog. So actually I have already done the rice for both of us, me and my husband, and I'm going to make curry. So actually so actually my sister-in-law, she was about to give the pumpkin gravy, but then we have some other plan in the night for dinner. Like I will let you know in the vlog. Definitely this vlog is going to continue till night. And my daughter, she's sleeping, so I'm talking a bit slow. I'll show you how she's sleeping in her bedroom. So that's, she's sleeping, and there my husband is talking over the phone. I'm sorry guys, he's just sitting like that. And so guys, I'll make the curry, and then I will we both will have our food because my husband have to go to the temple for some puja. So after that, in night, I'll continue the vlog. So that's it. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Guys, I'm going to end the vlog now because my daughter, she is sleeping, and we are going to have our lunch, and then I don't know why this window is making noise. Okay, so I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'll be making tomorrow one more vlog which will be from today's night till tomorrow. So the night video will be added in tomorrow's vlog. So here I'm ending the vlog for today, and bye guys, see you tomorrow in another video, and stay safe, stay happy. Bye, love you all.